Welcome to another video about the stock market. And today I wanted to make a quick video about three things. TQQ, I've been talking about it, but now it has actually gone up quite a bit. So don't chase it. But there are two others that I'll talk about, which is UCO and NRGU. So the reason I'm making this video is if you look at CNBC, the news came out that Gilead, however you say it, um, it's showing promise for coronavirus. So if you see right over here, and right now it is about 11:14 p.m. in Houston, and look how the futures are going up. The futures, Dow futures have gone up 830 points. Um, and if you look at, uh, let me go over here because it's these tabs are not helping. So anyway, all right. So this is what I wanted to show you. The crude oil has actually jumped by 33%. So if you look at this, look, this is how high it has gone up. Why? Because economy is going to open up. So guess what? People are going to start driving. So focus in on this, extremely important. So two of the stocks I'm going to talk about, which is UCO. And again, do not bet the farm on it, okay? Because there are lots of leverage ETF related to oil and natural gas that have gone, gone away, basically, been liquidated. So there were tons of them, and it was actually difficult to find the ones that are still existing. So UCO used to be 3 times oil, like oil futures contract, but now it is 2 times. And then we have NRGU. This is 3 times big oil companies. Okay, so there's go to finance.yahoo.com. You can find all the things about it. So quick recap. Forget TQQ. Do not chase it now. TQQ. That's what I've been saying. So forget that. Do not chase it. It has gone up quite a bit. If you didn't get in, don't worry about it. So the two ones are UCO and NRGU. So how would you play that? So let's just say I'm looking at this. By the way, let me show you when I was saying, look at these. So these things and even ERX, they have actually gone under or liquidated. So we just focus on UCO and NRGU. NRGU is, by the way, 3 times leverage. So let me show you over here. So let's say if you were putting, let me move this along over here. So NRGU right now it is a 245. I was looking at that. So if you were to, let's just say, invest, I'm just giving an example, $5,000 in it, you would be able to buy these many shares, 2,041 shares. And the all-time high for NRG was $60.23. So let's just say that you got filled and 245. So the multiplier, meaning if it does go back to all-time high, guess what? Your $5,000 is going to become 122, close to $123,000. So this is like a sort of hitting a jackpot. Okay, but don't be too greedy. Just start scaling in. And if you notice all these positions, let's just say for whatever reason, oils keeps going down. So this is just a suggestion, not that you should do it. It's totally up to you, however way you want to do it. If you were to start buying when every time it drops 25%, then over a period of time, you would have, this is the amount you would have spent. This is the total number of shares you would have bought. And if it were to go back to its all-time high, which was actually not too far away, let me show you, it was actually last summer, sometime last summer. So let's go over here. It's talking about UCO, right? Okay, so UCO, let me just minimize this. UCO, if you go back over here, look, No, max, let's do max. No, we were talking about, sorry, NRGO, NRGU. Okay, sorry. So NRGU, this is almost a year back, it was at $60. So it's fairly likely that it could go back to that point. So that's why I'm saying it's very likely that we would be able to see this. Okay, but don't be too greedy. Scale into this position. I'm just saying 25% when it drops. You're more comfortable if it drops 10%. You want to add to the position. It's totally up to you. It's just a suggestion. Okay. So same thing. I'm talking about UCO over here. It's right now at 169. And if you were to spend 5,000, this is the number of shares you would be getting. And this is the multiplier. This, by the way, was the all-time high in 2008, I believe. So even if it doesn't go that high, 866, when the oil was at $140 a barrel, um, so even if it doesn't go, even if it goes to 10% of that, which is instead of getting to 866, if it just goes to 86, this would actually be $250,000. So 5,000 is going to be 50 times more. Okay, so this is actually the multiplier, meaning if it were to go back to the all-time high, that's how much you'd be making. And again, it's just a suggestion. Whenever it drops 25%, you're adding to the position. By the way, don't be too greedy. It is a UCO. I'm a little, actually, let me show you. So UCO, no, NRGU is 2.13 million assets. So it could go under, it hasn't gone under yet. So don't be too aggressive because there are lots of ETFs, leverage ETFs related to oil and natural gas that have gone under. So be careful. Don't don't bet your farm on it. UCO seems to be a better bet because look at this, net assets are close to $400 million. So it's less likely that it would go under. Okay. So quick recap. Let me bring myself back on over here. Quick recap. TQQ, do not chase. UCO and NRGU. Just put a little bit, start off with that and hope you make tons of money with it. So thank you for watching and feel free to share this with your friends and family because that's what I'm trying to do. I don't make any money off of this, but hey, this is just for you guys. All right. So enjoy, happy trading and stay safe and stay healthy in this crazy environment we are in. Okay. Till next time.